Welcome to my channel Fashion Iksha. In this video we are learning how to make a basic sleeves. From the top, leave about half an inches and draw a line across. This line is considered as a default line. From this line, measure the length of the sleeves, that is 6 inches, and draw a line across. This line is considered as a sleeve bottom line. From the sleeve bottom line, mark 1.5 inches downwards for the bottom hem fold and draw a line across. Now locate a upper arm line. In order to locate an upper arm line, the formula is 1/8 of the chest minus 3/4 inches. Chest divided by 8 is 4.25. From the 4.25 minus 3/4 inches, that is 3.5. Mark 3.5 inches from the default line and draw a line across. Now on the upper arm line, mark upper arm round measurements. So for that, the formula is chest divided by 4 minus 1.25 inches. Chest is 34, divided by 4 is 8.5 inches. From the 8.5 inches minus 1.25 inches. So now the total is 7.25 inches. That is half of the upper arm round. Now on the sleeve bottom line, measure half of the sleeve bottom round, that is 6.5 inches, and mark. Now join both the points of a sleeve bottom round and the upper arm round points. From the upper arm round point, draw a diagonal line by joining the starting point of the default line. This point is also called a midpoint of the sleeves. Now from the sleeve bottom line, just draw a diagonal line joining to bottom hem line. So this will be approximately half an inches to 3/4 inches more. Now locate a midpoint on the diagonal line. Diagonal line is 8 inches. On that, locate a midpoint, that is a 4 inches. And on the second half, locate a midpoint, that is for the 2 inches. And again on the first half, locate a midpoint, that is again on the 2 inches. Now we have 3 points located on the diagonal line. From the first point, mark 3/4 inches above, and from the third point, mark half an inches below. This mark is to draw a front armhole curve. Now with the help of armhole curve, draw a curved line from the midpoint to a default line joining the first above point which you marked, and from the upper arm round point to the midpoint of the diagonal line by joining the lower point. Now draw a back armhole curve, that is starting from the third point to the intersection of a default line and the front armhole curve which is drawn. And now again from the upper arm round point to the third point with about 2 mm downwards. This completes a drafting of plain sleeves. Now mention all the terminologies on the pattern, that is unfold line and a grain line. Mention unfold next to the line mention the name of the block, a basic sleeve block, cut two pieces, the number of pieces to cut on the fabric, and mention front and back. This completes the drafting of a sleeve block.